Just start. Create content. I'd like to share with you something that can change your perspective on content creation. This is exactly why I recommend that you just start. Stop focusing so much on what already exists. Start focusing on what you can create. Only you can bring the ideas in your mind into reality. Reading books is valuable. Watching educational content like what you're watching right now is valuable. But all of this is already made. It's all old news. Consumption is staying stuck in the past. Creation is taking a step into the future. But creation is hard, and it takes courage to put yourself out there. That's why most people don't do it. But that's also why it's so easy to win if you get started. There is truly no competition. Really, none. Everyone is sitting there scared to start. So embrace your creativity. Push past the fear and post that first piece of content. Share your writing online. Post a picture of that art you've been making. The doorway to the future exists in 2 words. Just start. You never know what could happen once you get started. Let's see what you make. Subscribe now for more videos like this. Watch this here to learn more.